Good morning, everyone, and happy Saturday. I actually just woke up, but oh, this lighting is terrible. I'm in my kitchen. I'm gonna make some tea because I just woke up. I had a very late, not even a late night, I just had a late night on Valentine's Day, which is gonna be in the footage before this. So the day before this, because 2 days before this is Saturday. But excuse me. Yeah, today is kind of a chores kind of day. So like I have laundry I need to do. I have to clean and organize my room. I'm finally gonna tackle my closet, well, the lower part of my closet, and figure out how to organize all my stuff, like my shoes and what I have down there, so I can get it all situated, and then deal with the upper part of my closet as well. So that's what's going on today. And I'm just gonna put you down for a second so that I can put water in this kettle. So hold on. You're very low down because I have nothing higher to put you on. Excuse that mess. Hold on. So sorry, guys. It seems as if my audio disappeared right here and then picks up right now. You guys do anything for Valentine's or Galentine's Day? Or anything like that? Or do you have any plans to do anything for the weekend to celebrate? It's the Family Day long weekend here in Toronto. Well, Ontario, parts of Ontario. I think BC celebrated theirs before, I'm not really sure. But it's a Family Day long weekend, so I actually get to be off on Monday, which is going to be really nice. Okay. Oh, I didn't even show you this. So my grandma is a sweetheart, and she sent me this coat. The color is so rich. I'm going to be styling it. She also got my mom one as well. My mom's is really nice. My mom's is gray. I like my mom's. That's my humidifier that I haven't set up yet. Sorry. So yeah, today's kind of a chillish kind of day. Mainly going to be dealing with house stuff, well, apartment stuff, cleaning, doing my laundry, just getting organized. I kind of want to get all that kind of finished between like today and early tomorrow on Sunday, so that I can kind of just relax and enjoy my family day off. But I also have to go and pick up a gift for a baby shower that I'm for a baby shower that I'm attending next weekend. So hopefully I can get the majority of that stuff all done so I can kind of just relax and chill, but we'll see. But I'll keep you guys posted. Right now I am going to go get some tea, get some breakfast made. I may show you guys me making breakfast, but I kind of have to do some other stuff first. But I will check in with you guys in a few. Good morning, guys. Sorry that I didn't check in on Saturday. I got really busy doing laundry and stuff, and then Sunday was more of a chill day. I ended up not really doing much this long. I really didn't end up really doing anything. It was mainly about getting my laundry done, cleaning up, and that's why I kind of disappeared on the Saturday and the Sunday. So I'm so sorry, because today's like Monday and it's family day. So it's our long weekend. I'm actually gonna start making some pancakes. So that's gonna be good because I'm looking forward to that. I first have to actually make the blueberry like syrup thing that I make. It's like a compote, I guess you could say. I have to wash all the blueberries, and then I have to make that, and I also think I'm gonna do some sausages. So I have sausages that I'm probably gonna make as well. Oh. These probably have to get made first because they're frozen. I should probably turn the kitchen light on, shouldn't I? And then there was light. Okay. So I'm gonna start first by preheating my oven. Excuse this dry patch right here. It's my eczema flare up. It happens like here. Anyway, just pardon that, please. Okay. Can I put you here? Can I put you there? Yeah, this works. You can still kind of see me. Okay. So this is my awkward like pajama set. It's not really a pajama. It's a t-shirt that I got from Forever 21 like forever ago. These are from H&M, but they're too big for me. Hold on. I need to get a tray for this. Okay, so should I make them in? I'm gonna make them in a dish actually. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm gonna use this and put foil in that. You know what, guys? This would be so much easier in a time lapse. Let's do that. And we're back after that lovely, lovely time lapse of me prepping stuff. So as of right now, I have the sausages in the oven that I know need to pretty much defrost and then cook all the way through. And then I also have on the blueberries with some cane sugar and water so I can make like a blueberry syrup like compote to put onto my pancakes. It is relatively late. It's already like 10 something. So this is a little bit of a late start, but this is probably gonna end up being more of a brunch more than anything else. Yeah, so pretty much my Saturday consisted of me doing laundry. So I did laundry all day. Finished off my laundry, cleaning up my place. The one thing I still have to do though is wash my floors in my bedroom and my kitchen. And then Sunday was supposed to be like more of an outing day, but it was really cold too, so staying home wasn't that bad. Actually was a good idea because I was able to get more stuff done, like editing out my clothing, which I'm still working on. I kind of realize now that even though I may love clothing and fashion and stuff like that, that I have a lot of stuff that I don't wear. And that's actually kind of embarrassing because when you find things that have tags on it, you're just like, why did I buy this? And it's so, but I'm trying to be able to be better at it by making sure that I actually go through everything and donate stuff, because I have a full bag of clothing that's going to the Salvation Army, and I feel like I'm going to have another one soon just because of the fact that I have so much stuff. And I realize now that I need to kind of edit down the wardrobe. You can still love fashion and still buy pieces that are but you can still buy pieces that are investment pieces. So if you want to buy like a great investment coat, something that you're actually going to be wearing, like especially living in Canada, you always need a good coat, you need a parka, you need options. But that is the kind of thing that I think I'm going to be going forward with, is making sure that I get things that I actually need. So, and making sure that I get things that I'm going to wear and not just buy because of the fact I think it's nice or I see someone else wearing it, I mean. So that's something that I'm trying to be able to also figure out and kind of go with, because I want to have, if you were to, when you guys see my closet, you guys are going to be like, whoa, you have so much crap, especially at the bottom of my closet. There's so much stuff. Oh gosh. It's so bad. But hopefully if I can organize it properly and have, I'm like looking up at you guys, sorry. I'm hoping if I can organize it correctly that I can have the shelf that I have has scoops on it from IKEA. And I want to organize them to actually fold down the things that I'm actually wearing. So because the fact it's going to be cold pretty much until like June, I want to be able to take all the things that are like my linen items and stuff that's normally summer wear. All of that's actually still currently hanging in my closet, which becomes cumbersome because I can't actually find anything. So I'm thinking that if I'm able to have a scoop that's dedicated to more of my summer clothing, like when it comes to any kind of like tank tops or cord sets that are summer oriented, linen pants, that stuff can all get put into a scoop and put up, and then it'll free up space inside my closet for the stuff that I'm currently wearing, which is more of my winter wardrobe, and then hopefully transitioning into spring, then summer, because most of our, I would say our springs are relatively cold-ish. You still wear a coat, so like not a heavy coat, but a coat. And if I can organize that up, then it'll look so much better. And then also the lower section of where all my shoes are, of being able to organize all of my boots and my shoes and all that kind of stuff. So I feel like that's gonna be a project and a half. I want to show you guys it. It's just like I have no more idea. Whenever I start doing it, I forget to film, so I just need to set up the camera, I guess, and just start doing it. Some of it may be time lapse footage because I'm going to be doing it for a while. I'll probably go through the editing process in a time lapse and then stop it so you guys can actually see what I'm doing as I'm organizing and to show you some of the things that I picked up. You guys also know that my dresser is a complete mess, covered in stuff that I need to go through to actually organize. And I have like these beautiful trays. My mom actually picked up this really beautiful marble tray that I have to show you guys, and this really, really beautiful jewelry box that she got from HomeSense. And she was like, I thought you'd like this. And she was right, I do. The only thing is, it's missing a knob, so I have to be able to find a new knob for it. But I think I should just do a little like homeware. Is it homeware if it's for my room? It's like bedroom stuff and a bit of homeware, but I'll do that. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna work on this lovely brunch / breakfast, whatever this is, and then I'll check in with you guys when I start the process of going into my room. So hopefully we have a little bit more going on today. Again, apologies for not coming back on Saturday. Apologies for not filming it all yesterday on Sunday. But I will make that up to you today on Family Day, on Monday. See you guys in a bit.
Hello guys, it is a few hours later. Still Monday. As you can see now, I'm in a different outfit. I'm now in black. But I have done pretty much my nighttime skincare routine. It's like just after 6. But I want to show you guys what I did. So pretty much everything on the inside of my closet is now organized, but I'm gonna show you what my closet now looks like. Okay, so this is how my closet kind of turned out. So don't mind that stuff there. That is stuff that I got. But now my closet is a little more organized. So I don't know if you can tell, this closet door is very... So on this side I have all my kind of like winterized pants and like other heavy things. I put my knitwear folded here that I constantly wear. So here and here. And then these are my jeans. I dominantly wear those ones. And then to this side, I have all my lighter stuff. Now what I've done is I have put in a few lights. So if I go here and here, this actually helps illuminate my closet so I can see. I am gonna be installing one on this side here. I'm gonna do that in a second. But this is what this looks like. So I'm just going to quickly turn these off. And then down here is where everything looks really cool. So these are my sneakers. I work out in these, so these never go outside. Those are my other ones. I have, let me move this. Sorry guys. So I got these bins from IKEA. My mom picked them up for me. They're in a pack of 4 and they're $9.99. And I have all my shoes that I could fit inside of them. So there's 8 pairs of shoes in these boxes, not including my two sneakers, my Converse, and then I do have some other shoes up here that you can't really see, but I have some shoes that are nestled up there. This is my workout stuff that I keep in the corner, so my workout mat, and then the other shoes, so I can just let you guys see that, and my yoga mat. So pretty much what the whole idea is that I'm going to be able to have in here completely organized. Right now on the side here is my guitar that's in the back that you can't see back there, and then this stuff is going to be moved. And then up here, I have scoobs. So these scoobs are 3 scoobs right now that have sweatshirts, purses, and other stuff in here. This is a container that has some things, and then this one and this one. I do have another one right here that I haven't used just yet, but that's pretty much the inside of my closet. Oh, I should turn off this light. So that's pretty much everything on the inside of the closet that's been dealt with. Right now, I'm still working on my dresser. I haven't gotten to that part yet. I'm still kind of trying to figure out how I'm gonna organize it. I do have some really cool things though that are gonna go on my dresser that I can show you. I picked them up from H&M. So the first thing I got, if I put you on, oh, this is a terrible angle. You can see all my clothes, but that's okay. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this tiny little box from H&M. And this is from H&M Home. I'm actually planning on putting my costume jewelry in here that I wear dominantly. And I think it's gonna look really, really cute. So that's the first one. Then, so after that one, I have one more. This is gonna move. This is what it's resting on, unfortunately. Okay. Then I got this other one from H&M Home again. And this is This is a jewelry box. So it's this one, the mirrored one. And I'm hoping to be able to put some of my jewelry in here that I really want to kind of like show off, especially my nicer things that I'm hoping to do that for, so that'll be nice. And then, other than those two, okay, this is gonna get, this is a bad kind of, okay. Then I have something from Zara Home. We can buy Zara Home online here. There is a Zara Home in Yorkdale, but I've only been in there like twice, I think. This tray was from when they had their sale during Black Friday. Obviously, I have not used it yet. It's a mirrored tray. It is also gold. And I'm gonna be using this as well on my dresser or my bedside table. I'm not really sure yet. But I've been keeping everything wrapped up since I've been in the process of trying to change and like move everything. So yeah, that's those things. And then I'm gonna show you the other box and tray. So, okay. So I also have a marble tray, and I also have, hopefully that doesn't fall over, another box. Okay. So let me just put that there. I'm gonna, maybe I can put you, sorry guys, give me a second. I'm just gonna makeshift something here. That. No, you see, this needs to stand up. Oh, I'm gonna have to edit so much stuff out. This is not working. Okay, wait. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So, the other box that I have, I showed you one that I got from HomeSense, which was this one. I showed you guys this a while back. So there's this one. And then my mom gifted me this one at Christmas. Wow, you can just see everything reflecting back. It's crazy. My dresser looks so messy in this. So there's this one as well. It's the inside. Very excited to use this. But I've been keeping it wrapped up because I'm in the process of organizing everything. So with that, and the last thing, my mom saw this at StruckTube and thought I would love it, because who doesn't love marble? Anyone who is on Instagram or blog loves marble. This is like a marble serving tray with gold handles. They're still covered, from StruckTube. And this is also going to be used. I'm probably going to use this on my bedside table. I don't actually have a bedside table yet. I'm still in the process of finding one that I like. So all of that is the stuff that I have so far. And this is all stuff that's going to be either on my bedside, that's going to be used on top of my dresser, to organize things. Like I have a really beautiful tray from CB2 that I use to house a lot of stuff. So I'm hoping to be able to organize that tray to actually hold all of like my, I'm hoping to kind of organize it to hold the majority of like my skincare. And then I want to be able to have the two gold boxes stacked on top of each other. The marble tray is going to go on a bedside table, and then those two boxes you saw are going to be on the other side. So I'm hoping to have all of that kind of situated and ready so that it can be put together, organized, and just really nice. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I did today, from organizing my closet and cleaning it, and then trying to like organize my clothes and make it a little bit better. The clothing has not been fully edited, so that is actually going to be filmed, and hopefully I can have that up for you guys by not this week, but the week after. And yeah, so that's actually it for today, guys. This is it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like and subscribe, as well as comment down below to let me know what else you guys would love to see. And let me know what you guys think of this kind of like compilation of videos. Some of them are a little shorter. This one's a little bit more in depth. But I hope to see you guys next time, and I'll see you in a few. Have a great day, guys. Bye.